Hey, thank you for tuning into Hot Wheels. Jesse here with another diecast video. This pet hunt's a little bit different. While it is going to be a pet hunt, I want to kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek or preview of the life of a real Hot Wheels hunter, a pet hunter, somebody who hunts frequently and often. You know, for those of you who do pet hunts, then you can probably relate to this video. You know, when you know that stores are dropping, like right now, Dollar General are doing a sale and they're dropping shippers and they're getting ready to, you know, for the sale, or they're getting ready for Christmas or whatever it is, they're promotional, whether it be a mail-in or whatever, then you have to hit up these stores at the right time. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on the exclusive colors, on the hard-to-find castings, on whatever it is you're looking for at that time. Then you have to hit up stores, you know, at the crack of dawn, right when they open, be there before they close. It's just a constant thing as a collector. Now, there's nothing wrong with collecting on your own time, when you have time, whether it be weekends or whatever, however you feel led to collect, definitely follow your heart. However, I just want to let you know, let's say right now I'm looking for a super, looking for a specific super. If you're looking for something specific and you're only collecting every so often, you're going to have a really hard time getting it. I'm just going to be honest with you. Like, for me, I'm looking for a specific car. I had to hit up probably over 20 or 30 Dollar Generals just to find this one car that you're going to see here toward the end of the video in this pet hunt. So just want to make you aware of that. It's not something that happens very often to find either the rare castings or exclusive cars, things like that. So be prepared to run frequently and often. But let's get to the video. Thanks for tuning in. All right, another Dollar General, another day, another dollar spent. Let's go see what we can find for some Hot Wheels. Hoping to find that exclusive, elusive shipper. Let's do it. I always forget where. I've been in this store before, but it's been a minute. I always forget where the toys are. So no shipper that I'm seeing. Let's see, maybe it's on the. Oh, okay. Some old stuff up here. A little bit of new 2020, but far and few between. And obviously just a bunch of fantasy stuff kind of left over. Or older stock. Yeah, just a bunch of old stock. A little bit of 2020s mixed in. Wonder if they have a shipper or a case around. Oh, right here. I think we may be too late. Yeah, I think we might be too late, but you know, maybe it just got recently put out. So we'll go through it. We'll check it out. I mean, I have gone through some of these that look like they'd already been hit up. And generally that's how collectors do. Alright, so far we've done two rows in this one right here. But let's see. Never know. If this is new or if it's been out or if it's been ransacked already. I'll clean it up and organize it in a minute. I'm just trying to. I'm thinking this might have just been put out recently. I just don't know, because see how that one's kind of empty, but then some of them are kind of stuck in there like that. I've opened a few of these at Dollar Generals and they've come like that, you know, where it's all kind of like a mess, where it looked like a collector had hit it up, but yeah, see this one's missing a few already, so I don't know, something tells me it's already been hit up. Hoping I'm wrong, but Probably not. Oops. Yeah, so far not even a sign of the main line of a Super. Hey, and apologies if I'm kind of flying through this shipper or displays really quickly. I know you may not have seen each of these cars. You may not have seen some of these castings. I apologize. For me, I've seen these. These are older case stuff that I've already got in my collection, or at least the ones that I want. So I do apologize. I'm kind of going through it really quickly. It's not because I don't appreciate them or value them or want to buy them. Most of them already have. So unless it's something I highly favor, I'll leave it for other people to buy up. So that's kind of why I kind of fly through them. And again, it's not because I don't want to buy them or not because I don't like them. It's just I already have most of them. So but yeah, just kind of wanted to put that out there. I know some of you are every once in a while I get a comment, you know, do you not want this casting? What's going on? Why are you why are you leaving that on the pegs, or why are you leaving that in the display? And like, again, it's just because I already have most of this stuff. So apologies if it offends you or if it hurts you to see me pass some of these up, but definitely we'll try to slow down at least a little bit on future peg hunts to show you, these cars a little bit more in depth. So. Like I said, I haven't even seen a mainline version of a Super in this yet, so I'm not exactly hopeful to find anything. At least I'm conditioning it for them. At least it'll look good for the next person. Lamborghini in the back, not the Super. This is K-case, and that would be a character from Jay. No chance of that being a Super. Oh yes, check it out. Check it out. There was a Super in there. Oh, I cannot believe it. Check that out. After all that, I thought there for sure it had already been hit up. Oh, look at that. There was a Super in there. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I just don't believe it, guys. Oh, my luck, my luck. Oh, this is awesome. This is my third 57 Chevy I found. This is so sweet. I don't believe it, guys. I do not believe it. Let me clean this up a little bit. I thought for sure I didn't find a treasure hunt or anything, but at least I conditioned it for them. And there it is. A lot better shape than it was. So there you have it, guys. The reason why, even if it looks like it's been gone through, if it looks like, a train wreck, go through it. You never know. There was any sign, there was no treasure hunts at all. Not even the main line of that. Usually you'll find like 1 or 2 main lines, maybe a treasure hunt, nothing, no ID, no treasure hunts in that, nothing other than the little Super at the very bottom. Pretty cool. So let me know your thoughts on this little treasure. But